Hello, Mrs. Cahill?
Yes.
Yeah, Robin Lomax will come back to the boiler.
Boiler, yes. Come in.
Thank you very much. Lovely. Right, where is it?
He's upstairs.
Right, he's upstairs?
Yes, his room's straight opposite the top of the stairs.
Whose room?
Matthew's room.
Matthew?
Yes. It shouldn't take long. He's very small. He's only about 3 weeks old. It's not too much, is it?
Well, I've come about the boiler.
Did I say boiler on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant baby, sorry.
Baby?
Yes, could you go and have a look? I'm sure he'd be quite easy to fix. He's so small.
You want me to fix
yes,
a baby?
Oh, yes, you see, the doctor won't do anything. I don't know why, but he says he won't. Not now, anyway, he says.
Yeah. So,
he said,
what do you mean?
Well, he said he's dead or something, but I know he can be mended. I'm sure he can. He's just tubes, really, isn't it? And I'm sure you could have a go.
Mrs. Cahill, I can't fix a baby. I'm just a plumber.
Yes, and so you're good at mending.
Yeah,
you fixed the taps last winter, didn't you? You must be able to do something for him. You fixed the taps.
Oh, yeah, I fixed
well, that's
the taps.
it. They'd never dripped since. You did a lovely job. I'm sure you can. I mean, what's more important, a baby or a tap?
Well, that's not really
Please, there must be something.
Honestly,
He's so young. He's just 3 weeks. They should last longer than that, shouldn't they? My sister's...
Well, I'm really sorry, Mrs.
She's had
Cahill.
one for years, and you see, he only stopped 4 days ago, and
I'm very sorry,
my
Mrs.
husband
Cahill.
would be so pleased. He's going to leave if I keep talking about the tubes.
Well,
but
I'm
I
really
know
sorry
I'm right,
about that,
and I'm
but
sure there's something
please.
you could do for £1,000 an hour.
For what?
£1,000 an hour. Couldn't you try 3 hours at £1,000 an hour?
Yeah.
3 or 4 hours?
At £1,000 an hour?
Yes.
Well, where's it say what?
Straight opposite you at the top of the stairs. If you just go up the stairs, he's just there.
Well, I'll go and get my tools.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I'm not promising anything, Mrs.
No, that's right. You're not promising anything, but you'll do your best. That's the main thing. I'm sure you can do something. It's just 4 days, and I know we've still got a chance. The doctors, they just give up, but I know you won't.
All right.
God bless you, Mr. Robin Lomax.
I'll just be a sec.
Yes, thanks. Guess what? I've made Matty's tubes all better. No, Roger, it's me. Guess what? Matty's better. Yes, I've made him better with a plumber. And,
I think I've finished.
Oh! Is he better?
Well, if you just come up and,
Matty! Mum's coming. Mummy's coming. It's Mummy, yes.
He's not quite... Well, he's changed a bit.
Oh, yes.
Don't worry about the leak. I can fix that.
Hello, darling. Mummy's here. Oh, it's nice and warm.
Yeah, I've channeled the heating through him. No, it's best not to move him, Mrs. Cahill.
Lovely and warm, darling.
Come off the pipes. There's a pipe going from his mouth here to the nappy area.
Got a pipe? Got a little pipe?
Milk comes out and makes it wet.
Got a little pipe?
And there's a tap on the side, as you can see here.
What a smart tap! Look at that tap.
Attached to the
That's a smart tap. Is that
header tank up here. I should make the plug in his mouth gurgle when you turn it on.
Oh, yes.
Just,
Oh, it's a gurgle. It's a little gurgle.
I think I'll get off now, Mrs. Cahill.
There you are.
Yeah, right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Cahill. Bye then.
Bye-bye. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, Matty, are you better? You better? Yes, much better. Let's hear you gurgle. Oh. You better? In fact, I think you're piping hot. Much, much hotter than you were before. Won't need a vest now, will you? Are you better? Yes? I think you're better. Is that better? Oh, I can't even touch you, you're so hot. What a hot little baby. Are you better? Yes, I think so. Is that better? Oh, I can't even touch you, you're so hot. Oh, what a hot little baby. Oh, I can't even touch you, you're so hot. Oh.